Welcome back, everybody. Today's show is all about breakfast, making breakfast a little more fun, not so boring. We have some cool ideas for you. This is Angie Horkin from the Beef Council. Great to see you, Angie.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here. You said that you made this for your kids the other day, and they totally loved it.
I did.
Really, really fun. We're going to show you how you can do a quick breakfast, like an omelet on the go in a mug. I love it. And we're starting out with a homemade sausage that you can completely make ahead of time. So like on a Sunday when you've got some more time.
Right.
And instead of traditionally you use pork in the sausage, we're making a homemade beef sausage.
Right. So I bought ground round.
Okay.
So we're going to start with 1 pound of ground round. And we're going to add some seasonings to make it taste like a breakfast sausage.
So it's really going to be lean.
Yes.
But it's going to have some nice protein in it, which is
Yes.
important to get a little protein. You know,
Yes,
rather
you
than-
want protein
Yeah.
at breakfast,
Yep.
which sometimes is hard to do, especially during the week.
Right.
On mornings when we're working, we're getting the kids off to school.
Right.
And the beauty of this recipe is you make it ahead of time. So you make everything ahead of time, and then you just microwave it a minute and a half, and then you have a nice hot breakfast.
I love it.
Full of protein. So 21 grams of protein per mug.
Love that. So yeah, the sausage is something that you don't have to do in the morning of the day you're going to serve it.
Right.
You can actually do this, a few days ahead, and then have the sausage in little baggies and
Right.
whip this up in no time. So we've got really, really lean ground beef. Now
Right.
we're going to season it up.
Onion powder,
Okay.
a teaspoon of garlic powder,
Okay.
sage, a half a teaspoon of rubbed sage,
And that's going to give it that whole sausage taste, is the sage.
crushed red pepper,
Okay.
about a half a teaspoon,
Okay.
not much, just to give it a little bit of zing,
And
and
some
then
salt.
some salt.
Really, really easy. So you want to brown this until it's all crumbly and no longer pink. So it takes
Right.
a couple of minutes. Now we're going to put some fun different veggies in this, and everybody can kind of create their own like you would an omelet. So we've got some fresh spinach, which is a great way to throw some spinach, kind of sneak some in. I happen to love it, but if you've just got a little bit of it in the kids' omelet, they probably won't even know it's there,
No.
you know?
Not at all. This could be a clean out of refrigerator too recipe.
yeah.
So if you've got extra tomatoes, I've got some cherry tomatoes, I've got mushrooms. I bought fresh mushrooms, but canned would probably be fine too. Red pepper, green pepper, even green onion would be good in these.
Yep, I'll take it all. Load mine up. So let's say this is
After
all
you
done.
brown
and
that,
yep,
at
it's
home, let
cool.
it set about 10 minutes,
Okay.
cool it, and then it's going to make 8 mugs.
Okay.
So this is about a third of a cup
Okay.
of ground beef. So you can dip it up right into your 8 baggies, sandwich baggies.
Okay.
And then you could also put your vegetables right in with your beef too, and then pop these 8 in the refrigerator. They'll be good for 4 to 5 days, so
Okay.
all week, and then you'll have enough to make 8 mugs.
Okay, so we've
then
got our-
in the
our
morning when
mugs.
you're ready to start, just spray your mug with a little spray. Let's
Okay.
do 2.
Okay.
And then 1 egg.
And these are obviously microwave safe.
Microwave safe ceramic mugs.
Okay, so 1 egg will crack right in there. Do you scramble it?
Scramble it first.
Okay.
Okay.
So most of your prep work's going to be all done. You're just going to quickly break
bit of
that
water.
egg.
About a tablespoon.
Okay. So then in goes whatever you
Then in
want in
goes
your
your
little
beef.
mug omelet type of thing.
Your beef, and then a
Your-
couple, whatever veggies you want. I want spinach for sure.
I'll have some spinach
Tomato.
too. Yeah. Mushroom maybe. I love
Mushroom.
the pepper.
I bought the sliced steak mushrooms, and then I just chunked them up.
Ooh,
So the
nice,
work was already
nice.
done for me. And maybe some green pepper. Okay.
So salt and
Mine's
pepper.
full.
Salt
Yep,
and
a little
pepper.
salt and pepper.
Okay.
And give them a stir.
Okay.
Work them all together. 30 seconds on high. Oops, I got too many veggies.
That's okay. Yours is going to be a real healthy one. I'll take your mushroom.
30 seconds on high. Pull them out. Stir them. Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
And then 1 more minute on high, and that is it. Now, I did make a double for Dennis last week. I made him 2 eggs.
This is the hubby.
And that works perfect.
Okay.
Just microwave it 1 minute, stir it, and then another minute.
Okay.
Took 2 minutes.
So everybody's kind of going out the door as you're driving to school, and here's your breakfast mug on the run, and a nice
Right.
hot breakfast on
Yes.
a cold morning. You know, when it's cold out, I think it's really hard to just have a bowl of cereal. You know, that just is, it's like.
And you can only eat so much oatmeal.
Yeah, oh, that's true, although we eat a lot of it in our house. But I love the idea of doing beef sausage, which is really lean, something different, having it completely done ahead. You know, we don't have time in the morning to make sausage and bacon and all that kind of good stuff.
Right.
So to have it done ahead of time is great. Okay, so at this point, we're
got the
going to
fork.
give it another little stir. and then it goes in for another. We didn't put any
30
cheese
seconds.
on here. Is that
That
the
goes
cheese
on right at the end.
I was going to
Yep.
say.
This one's
I
ready.
need some cheese. So this goes in another minute or so.
1 minute. They'll be light and fluffy. Give it a stir, and then you top with cheese. I also have salsa out too. I like salsa with my eggs.
What fun.
Put a little salsa on the
I
side.
do too. Me too. So what are we making next time? I'm excited. I heard something about nachos, for breakfast.
We're gonna
Sign
make
me up.
beef breakfast nachos, and it's very versatile. So you could use ground beef. You could use, if you have any leftover beef, like some pot roast, you could shred that up and put that on top. Or even
Ooh.
if you have leftover grilled steak, slice it up, put that right over the nachos, and the base is pretty fun.
Ooh,
it's
I-
not your traditional nacho chips.
I can hardly wait. So we're going to finish up these egg cups and then put a little cheese and maybe salsa on top. And if you're looking for the recipes for these, you can get them, of course, on our website, but also
Beeftips.com.
lots of great recipes
Yes.
there. So
We have a whole breakfast page. So if you click on meal ideas, breakfast is one of the options. And you know, you don't usually think of beef as a breakfast
Right,
item. It's
right.
mainly our dinner, main entree.
Yeah.
But we've got a lot of fun, creative ways to get that protein into your breakfast.
very cool. I think our breakfast mug omelets are done. So we will be back with some more fun ideas for breakfast. Oh, they look perfect. I don't know if you can see them, but they cooked right up. That one needs a little bit longer, but this one is completely done. So I'll pop this one back in. Thanks, Ange.
You're welcome.
More breakfast ideas, including ideas for breakfast in bed, coming up. Stay with us.